Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Today sees a mixed bag for Indian markets, with auto stocks surging on tax cuts and GST reforms, while consumer and IT sectors feel the pinch from geopolitical uncertainties and profit-taking. The overall mood is one of cautious optimism as we await key economic data like the US non-farm payroll report, which could further fuel expectations for a US Federal Reserve rate cut. The BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty have climbed 0.2%, with the auto sector benefiting from lower GST on automobiles. However, this growth is offset by declines in consumer stocks, including FMCG and ITC, following reports suggesting potential new taxes on tobacco products. The market's initial enthusiasm over GST reforms seems to be cooling, with some investors believing the optimism may already be factored into prices. Meanwhile, Asian markets are up due to positive cues from Wall Street, but IT companies in India face a setback as soft US labor data sparks concerns about slowing growth in the United States. In a surprising turn, India's Information Technology Index, CNXIT, has experienced a reversal today, falling 1.5% despite earlier gains of 0.5%. This downturn was triggered by unverified social media posts suggesting potential tariffs on Indian IT services from the US. Experts at WealthMills Securities attribute this drop not to fundamentals but to speculative reports regarding the proposed tariffs. As a result, the IT index is currently down 1.4% for the week, contrasting with the benchmark Nifty 50's 1.1% rise. This serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness between global economies and the impact of rumors in shaping market trends. As always, stay informed and make wise investment decisions.